weekend, it's Saturday, but that means that I'm kind of off schedule a little bit. I spent a little while getting a video set up. My house is crazy, so it is a little, well, I just have to be honest with you guys. There's always noise in the background. So my vlogs are always noisy, I feel like, but maybe you're here for it. I hope you are. This is real mom life. Last week, we talked about my daughter broke her arm. She doesn't have her cast yet because they said that they had done such a good job splinting it that they were worried that they were gonna mess it up. So she's a little down that she didn't get her cast yet, but she's gonna get it this coming week. And once she gets her cast, there's gonna be less risk of her injuring what's being healed. But I wanted to share with you guys a smoothie that I've been making her. She loves smoothies, so this isn't a new thing for her, but anyways, it's hot outside. She loves smoothies. She's been asking for smoothies 1 or 2 times a day. So I wanted to share the recipe that I've been making for her and her sister too, and how it has some different ingredients in it to help her stay healthy and maybe help her with her arm too. Anderson joined us in the kitchen. He doesn't like smoothies quite yet, but maybe one day he'll join the girls in smoothie love. But let's get to the recipe. Let me get out my ingredients to make their smoothie so you can see how easy it is. I just have a Ninja smoothie maker. I've had this for a while now, but I love it. And it comes with, the one that I bought, at least, I bought this a while ago. It came with individual smoothies so that whenever it was just me making a smoothie, I made it in that. But since I'm making both my girls a smoothie, I'm gonna go ahead and do it in the big pitcher. So let's load it up. So I am starting with 2 bananas. If I was making this for myself, I would try to keep it keto. And you can switch like avocados instead of the banana, but they love bananas. Bananas are really good. It does have some potassium in them, so that's really good for electrolytes and things like that. But anyway, so again, this is not keto friendly, this is for my kids, but I really would just make that one adjustment and it can fit within your low carb lifestyle. I'm gonna add in some super greens that are chocolate and also some probiotics. This is very scientific. No, I just open up the package and dump it in there. That's one thing I like about smoothies. The next thing I'm adding is my Katy Keto chocolate shake. This is a keto friendly shake, which is why I have it for myself. But it's also sweetened with allulose, which is one of my favorite sweeteners for keto. It's got a delicious chocolate flavor. It has MCT oils and collagen, which are things, oh wait, I'm making 2, I'm gonna do it. 4 scoops. So that's kind of like where the flavor comes from, because they do have a sweet tooth, but this is really good because it's not sugar. The other things I'm adding are peanut butter, powdered peanut butter, and then collagen. This collagen is not flavored, but I got this from Thrive Market. And I have the link that you can shop on their online market and get a whole bunch of good deals. But this is one of the things I picked up, and it's their own brand. But I was really excited about a grass-fed collagen option, and so that's what I've been putting in her smoothie. If you don't have powdered peanut butter, I just made a mess. If you don't have powdered peanut butter, you can use regular peanut butter or even almond butter. But I feel like this works really well with smoothies. It mixes in really well. It adds a good texture, kind of like makes it thicker. And I like that. Now I'm just adding some almond milk. You can just add water, but I personally like adding a little bit of almond milk. And the secret is a lot of ice. Ooh. So I'm gonna use all of this, and I probably am still not gonna have it. Okay, come pick which one you want.
This one.
That one?